Psalm 16. Refuge and Resurrection. Preserve me, O God, for in Thee do I put my trust. O my soul, Thou hast said unto the Lord, Thou art my God, my goodness extendeth not to Thee, but to the saints that are in the earth, and to the excellent, in whom is all my delight. Their sorrows shall be multiplied that hasten after another God. Their drink offerings of blood will I not offer, nor take up their names into my lips. The Lord is the portion of mine inheritance and of my cup. Thou maintainest my lot. The lines are fallen unto me in pleasant places. Yea, I have a goodly heritage. I will bless the Lord who hath given me counsel. My reins also instruct me in the night seasons. I have set the Lord always before me, because He is at my right hand. I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory rejoiceth. My flesh also shall rest in hope. For Thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, neither wilt Thou suffer Thine Holy One to see corruption. Thou wilt show me the path of life. In Thy presence is fullness of joy. At Thy right hand there are pleasures forevermore. Devotional Meditation. Psalm 16 is a psalm of joyful consecration and hidden resurrection. It opens in trust and closes in glory. Here, David prophetically speaks of Messiah. Thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, and in doing so offers the prayer of all who walk in covenant hope. This psalm names the Lord as inheritance, counselor, and guide into fullness of life. It is especially powerful for those seeking to recover purpose, direction, or joy after sorrow. The final verses hold resurrection power and are often spoken during vigils, burials, and personal renewals of trust. Invocation of Activation. Preserve me, O God, my portion is in You. Let my soul rejoice and my flesh rest in hope. You will not leave me in the shadow. You are my path of life. Fill me with joy in Your presence. Amen.